This is really cool. Now you're looking at it and you're like, okay, it's a wrecked 1970 Plymouth Fury III, but this thing was wrecked and put away, and that was it. It hasn't been touched in, I believe, a decade, and it runs and drives. The guy drove it in here. I guess the lady hit a telephone pole. It was crashed by someone time in the early to mid-1970s in Montana. It was towed to town by the local tow truck driver. By the time the insurance company got their act together, the storage bill had reached a point where they told him to just keep the car. So basically the car had sat for 30 plus years, was protected from the elements. The owner bought it off of eBay basically, and here we go. Running, driving, basically brand new 1970 Plymouth Fury III. With a little bit of body damage.